Hey friends, if you encounter the error AADSTS90100 login parameter is empty or invalid, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first one is to clear the browser cache and cookies. So if you are accessing that application through a browser, simply open that browser, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on the bin-like symbol here, change the time range to all time, and then click on clear now. Now this one is for Microsoft Edge, but it works for all Chromium browsers. The next one is that the issue could be with the network settings, so you can run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab. Go to the system tab. Scroll down and select troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. And the next one is to reset the network settings. How would you do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now we'll go to the network settings page. So go to network and internet, scroll down and click on advanced network settings. Click on network reset and then click on reset now and finally click on yes. And lastly, repair or reinstall the application in the discussion. Okay, right click on the start button, select settings, go to apps, go to installed apps. Now if it's a recently installed app, it will appear here. And once that happens, click on these three dots associated with the app, uninstall it. If possible, try to install it from the Microsoft Store. Obviously, if it's not available, you'll have to try other options. But if it is available, then try to install it from the Microsoft Store itself. Like the Mail and Calendar app is available here. So we will install it from the Microsoft Store. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.